Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another unboxing. So if you're interested in seeing what I got, then stay tuned. So thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Latori and I am going to be unboxing the Doc Marten Leona boots and then styling them up. So I've been wanting a pair of Doc Martens forever, probably since like high school, and for some reason I just never bought any. Until recently I was scrolling online like I always do, and I saw a sale that was happening at Nordstrom. And if you know anything about Doc Martens, they never have sales. So you usually have to get them from like a third-party retailer if you just so happen to come across them being less than retail price. And so I think they usually run about 175, 160, something like that. And like I said, I was scrolling and I saw that Nordstrom had them on sale for, I believe, like 106. And so I was super excited because I have been eyeing that particular style for a while. So I ordered them, and before ordering them, I watched a few videos about sizing just because I wasn't sure, because I've never purchased Doc Martens before. And everyone was saying that they ran a little large. Some people were saying that they ran true to size. So I decided to just get a size 9, and I ordered the size 9 from Nordstrom, went and picked them up, and they were huge. Like, they look like boats. So I couldn't do anything with that. So I returned them, and instead of ordering the size that I thought I needed right away, I waited. And I waited so late that they had gone off sale and they went back up to their retail price. So I was looking around online to see if I could find them, because I did not want to pay full price after already having them for being able to get them for such a good discount, like $60 off. And so of all places, I was able to find them on Amazon, and they had them listed for $120. And so I waited on that for a little bit to see if it would go any lower, because I noticed the price kept going like up and down, but I didn't see anything less than 120. So I was cool with that. I didn't want to take the chance of it going back up to full retail. So I purchased them in a size 8, which is my typical size, and they were still huge. So I had to do another return, and I just went down to a 7. They don't come in half sizes, so I wasn't able to do like a 7.5 or anything like that, which probably would have been perfect. So I ordered the 7, and they were a little tight, but because they are, full leather, I think over time I'll be able to get them to where they're like perfect. They'll be fine. The only thing I'm worried about is I planned on styling them with like thicker socks, and I don't know if I'll be able to do that right away, just because they are like the tiniest bit tight. So we will see. So I'm going to show you the boots, stop rambling, and I will show you how I plan to style them. So these are the boots, and like I mentioned before, this style is named Leona, and this is probably the most feminine of Doc Marten boots, which isn't saying much because, as you can see, this is still a super, not masculine, but it's a combat boot. It does have a slight heel, which isn't typical for most other Doc Martens, but it does have the traditional platform, the rubber sole. It has the eyelet closures up the side, and it came laced with the 2 eyelid closures at the top unlaced, and I actually really like how that looks, so I may keep it that way for a while. The laces are on the thinner side, so hopefully they will hold up. I did read some reviews where people had issues with their laces breaking, so I may have to get some thicker replacements if that becomes an issue. The bag has the traditional pull tab, and on the inside it's like a brown suede. And yeah, that is the Leona. So I'm going to do a close-up so that you can see the details of the boot, and then I'm going to show you how I plan to style them. So this is Leona close-up, and as you can see, the heel that I mentioned and the traditional platform, this has like a lug sole at the bottom, and it's a rubber sole, so it is super comfortable. It has lots of traction. So this is the side profile. Close up on the eyelet closures. It's a really beautiful brass color. Front, the side. This is the back and the pull tab. And that's the suede inside.